I have to download something from my Facebook. So
okay,
hold on.
good.
Hello.
Because Ras sent it to me on my phone, and then I have to send it from my phone to my messenger.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna download that. Okay. Okay, now I download it. Do you see the vocabulary on the screen?
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this one is from me. It's not from teacher Ra. This is from me. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
In Are you listening? Can you please turn off your mute so I can talk?
Yeah, itu sah. Oh, bisa. Oh, ini itu sah mana? Iya.
Okay, these are the words. You need to write it down or copy it down or take a photograph.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus the sum of increased by or total more than added to អានឹងបានន័យយើងបូកអានឹងយើងបូកពាក្យហើយបើកាលណាគេនិយាយពាក្យ minus the difference of increase decreased by fewer than less than subtracted from អានឹងគេនិយាយថាពាក្យ subtract okay ហើយបើគេនិយាយថា multiplication វិញគេថា times the product of multiplied by of. Even the word of mean multiply. Okay. And divide. And the word divide mean divide by, oops, shoot, I need to pay. Okay, divide can mean the quotient of, per, or divide by. Okay, so នឹងសិតតែពាក្យនឹងគេប្រើនៅក្នុង mathematics. Okay. Hi, example.
Yeah.
Example. នេះជាពាក្យរបស់គេ okay ដោយឧបមាគេថា the sum of a number and 9 now ពាក្យ sum អានឹងបានន័យថាបូកឃើញទេនៅកន្លែងនេះបូកហើយ a number ហ្នឹងយើងអត់ដឹងថាស្អីទេអាហ្នឹងគេ represent by n and 9ឃើញពាក្យគេបើគេនិយាយអញ្ចេះយើងអាចទៅសេអញ្ចេះបានបើគេឲ្យពាក្យអញ្ចេះយើងអាចទៅសេជាអញ្ចេះបាន Okay, so know the difference between a verbal phrase and a variable expression. Okay, right here. The different can be different means subtract of a number and 21. Can be different. Okay. Products mean multiply.
No, can you repeat that again? We start on a verbal phrase, some.
Okay. A verbal phrase, verbal នឹងបានន័យគេប្រើជា sentence, okay? A variable បានន័យគេប្រើជា some kind of equation, okay? គេមានបូកមាន plus មាន minus មាន divide មានអីយ៉ាង okay? So variable expression they look like this. Verbal នឹងបានន័យថាប្រើពាក្យគេប្រើពាក្យ okay, like this. ហើយនេះគឺជាពាក្យគេប្រើនៅក្នុង English បើគេនិយាយថា plus យើងបានន័យថាគេប្រើសញ្ញាបូកបើគេនិយាយថា the sum of យើងក៏ប្រើសញ្ញាបូក increase by ក៏ជាសញ្ញាបូក total ក៏ជាបូក more than ក៏ជាបូក added to ក៏ជាបូក there are more នឹងគ្រាន់តែត្រួសប៉ុណ្ណឹងសិនទេណាហើយ subtract នេះជាពាក្យវា subtract ពាក្យ multiply នេះពាក្យ divide បាត់អនុត្តនៈបាត់ហើយ okay divide okay and example here verbal ជាប្រែជាពាក្យ okay ដូចគេថា here sum you can see the word sum បានន័យថាបូក okay ហើយ of a number នឹងបានន័យថាយើងអត់ដឹងទេ it's an unknown quantity it's an unknown so the sum of a number ហើយយើងទៅសេជា n ក៏បាន a ក៏បាន x ក៏បាន you let your letter represent the unknown variable okay and then here's the 9 okay and the word different means subtract so you're subtracting a number and 21 okay products mean multiply so you multiply a number 6 and some unknown number and usually when they said a number because you don't know what it is you let the alphabet represent it so you could use x you could use y you could use a or b or you can use n anything you want because a number is an unknown variable so you let the letter represent those quotient means divide so here you are dividing 48 and a number okay and then 1/3 is a fraction 1/3 of and of mean multiply over here okay of mean multiply so 1/3 of a number okay so familiar with what a verbal phrase is and what's a variable expression okay all right take a look and then you're gonna have something to do after this okay we can look at your homework or I can find right now I forgot to find because I was so busy doing something else and I forgot to find it I forgot to find a homework for you to practice on this one okay so do you want to write right now or you want me to go on because your homeworks involve something like this you have to read it
the sum of a number sum of a number and 9 number and 9 a number and 9 the difference of a number the difference of a number the products and a number and a question
I have no idea Okay, I'm gonna go to Google. Tell me if you can still see my screen. You still see my screen? Or bắt khơi nhảy? Bắt ơi?
khơi đó
What do you see?
nhưng share
You
đó
still see the word addition, subtraction, or you see my Google home screen?
no Google home screen
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
page browser
You still writing your verbal expression?
yeah
Oh, okay, cool.
finish now
Awesome.
Just take a picture. It's okay.
You can if you want.
When I talk, I will unmute my voice and then I turn it up because it's hear something outside or from the computer.
Not me. It wasn't me.
Yeah, it's my computer.
You can take a picture of Anjani and then you can write it later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Through the neck, Rosanne, you can take a picture. Take a picture.
Take high hết ta? Take high.
Screen. Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay, so I can because I want to give you a practice, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. How would you do number one?
Number one, different. 10 this last per
10 what?
10 per 5 or 10
10 what?
dot book.
English, please.
10 plus 5.
No. 10 minus 5.
Oh, minus.
Okay. All right, 10 minus 5. Okay.
Yeah.
What about number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2.
14. Bracket
14 and divide 7.
Yeah, divide by 7.
Divide by 7.
Ôi, vì bạn miền là sinh nhà lệ divide nữa nè. Okay, so here we go. Okay. All right. What about number 3?
You subtract.
Or minus.
17.
Subtract or minus, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
What about half of 14?
Half.
Half nâng kia to say half. This is a half. Okay. Off. Off nâng ba đây tha what? Add, subtract, or multiply, divide. The word off. What does the word off mean?
Off and multiply.
Good. Multiply by?
Multiplied by 14.
Yes. Okay. So that's what it is. What about 5?
8 plus by 6.
Okay, what about 6?
Product, right? Wow.
8
8.
multiply 7.
Okay, so this is good. So then I'm gonna go back to import your homework, okay?
Yeah.
So let me go to your homework.
និស្សិតថ្មីចូលថ្មីគុំ
ថ្វាយគុំកូនចាស់
អត់លឺទេ
So this is your homework.
Good morning from Sri Lanka.
Oh, from Sri Lanka. Okay. Good morning and good evening from USA. Okay. So this is your homework. Okay. Since your English teacher is not here yet, so we'll do math. So I want you to look at this one. You see the word 3 times. Okay, 3 times the sum. You see off and you see twice a number and you see everything all in one. So which one of these?
3
The last word, what 1 minute, right? The last word I cannot see.
-6.
-6. Okay.
Yeah. Khơi biết đấy.
ឃើញ
Okay.
2 3
So here you're looking at 3 times.
3
Okay.
times
3 times but later 3 multiply. Okay. So here's your multiply. And you multiply by what? The sum.
multiply
And what does sum mean?
multiply plus
Sum mean plus. The
Yeah.
sum of what?
plus
A number.
What does twice mean? Twice mean. So if you're 10 years old, I'm twice as much as your age, I will be 20. Twice of 2 is 4. Twice of 3 is 6. Twice of 4 is 8. So what does twice mean?
separate
What does the word twice?
The second, twice, the number 2.
Twice mean multiply by 2.
By 2.
Okay, twice mean multiply by 2 because twice of 2 is 4, twice of 3 is 6, twice of 4 is 8. So the sum of twice a number, and remember when we see a number, it's a variable. So it's gonna be 2n, okay? Okay, you're gonna have the sum, twice a number, and what?
1 -6.
Yeah, okay. So 3 times the sum. So here's you multiply 3 times the sum of twice a number and 1 minus 6.
1 minus 6 is 6.
Okay, you got to print to see that one. Okay, so 3 times
Is
the
6 and
sum of
6
twice a
number.
number and 1 minus 6. So which one of these?
Oh, easy.
Which one is that? Which one of these? Oh, did I do it wrong? Represent 3 times. This is 3 times. The sum of a number. The sum twice a number and 1 minus 6. It's not one of these.
Yes, the number is it means 8.
Yeah, I use n and not x. And so I can do x. No, a number I can represent that by x.
Okay.
Okay.
X. So D.
3 times.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 times. So 3 multiply. So it's not going to be A. The sum, mean you're adding twice a number. So that'll be 2x. Okay. So that's the sum, twice a number. And 1 minus 6. Where is 1 minus 6 come from?
A or D, right?
Oh, wait. The sum of twice a number. 3 times. It's not going to be A because A doesn't have 3 times. So
Oh,
it's
no,
not
3, yeah. D. B or D.
Did you call your other teacher to come?
I sent her a message. Already sent her a message. Now. Rusan, can you call to our teacher?
Khơi cái nào đấy, con nào đấy mình khơi khuôn anh nhỉ?
Chậm mười khơi khuôn anh.
Giờ thay khơi cái nào á, của cái nào khơi khuôn anhเป็นgì?
Ở đây ở khơi nhá, ở đây mới khơi mười riêng mà này.
Bây giờ.
Đặt camera lên mic mới khơi.
Ở đây mà cái nào đâu mà. Khơi nhé.
Thầy con mở kênh Sri Lanka thế.
Na khơi đó.
Video là Sri Lanka hết.
Na mới khơi.
Học kênh Sri Lanka.
Teacher từ chân ní nó bán.
You can do 19 because we did 19 last week.
Yeah. Okay, we can go. Continue number 19.
Yeah, you try number 19 and tell me what you got.
Wait, I will call to Misra first. Oh, they call
You remember the formula for your circle? Do you remember the formula for your circle? She sent this to you, right? Did she send this to you in the email?
Hello.
Hello? Did you get this in the email, right? Your teacher sent this to you in the email?
No. Wait, I call to her.
A, right?
Thế mình callได้ไหม?
Call up lưới kìa.
Dạ ngay.
Tạm làm nở đó. Ở lâu rồi này, mười riêng đó. Yeah, number 18 is B.
Mình cái nào chứ ở khơi khuôn anh nhưng cảm vô là mình.
Chẳng mười lần ấy mười riêng nên mới trù sáp bên chân đó.
Không biết gì đâu rồi. Ở đây chờ đó khơi.
Chẳng khơi luôn ấy người làm computer. Okay. Hello. 19เนี่ยนี่เหล็กน้
19. Did you have an answer for 19?
ำ A
Mm-mm.
คือจันนี้
It's not A.
What is the
Oh, the area, right? The area. Fine with radius.
trong cái đông sạch cả lập đầm tiền
C. C.
Good. It is C. Okay. Number 20.
And option nhiều đồng từ sắp ăn slang. C option C 20 circle and his backyard.
It's a circular garden. Okay. Radius of 13 feet.
circular garden in the backyard.
You know, GED tagging, similar to that. It's not going to be, you're not going to be ready in 1 year. There's a lot to learn. So 1 year is not plausible. So what's your answer? A, B, C, or D? Remember the formula for the area? It's pi radius square.
Suppose letter D.
Which one?
I think letter D.
B, this one?
Yeah. Rock.
Mm-hmm. It is B. Okay, 21. We're in a roll now.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Is correct?
Mm-hmm.
Cup à? Oh, cup.
You don't have to write down the question, Kun. You can just take a picture and do this later. I can send you the link, the homework. You don't have to write down. But on Sri Lanka, you don't have to write down the question. I can send this to you. And plus,
Yes,
Kunti is already live our teaching. I don't like being live, but you're live again. Okay, so you know
I want to say to other monks who want to study on math. Okay. Through in Sri Lanka now, he saw you teach on my page. So.
Okay, the word cube. What does cube mean?
Cube, cube là riêng bách. Cube nó là trong thiệt with the with trúng bách.
Okay, so this is what you need to know. Okay, so hold on. In a two-dimensional two.
Okay.
If you have a two-dimensional, when you have all sides are equal, we call that a square.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, square. But when you have a three-dimensional, three, 3. We call that a cube. Cube means all sides are equal.
Okay, and then cube.
Okay, so cube. So a cube has a square face.
Okay, I know.
So when all sides are equal, we call that a cube. You like my drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, I draw cute cube. Yeah, that's a really cute cube. Okay, so they don't have to tell you everything. They said the cube has a side that is 7 inches long. So that means everything is 7. So what is your volume? So what is your volume?
We have to find out a cube, right?
You have to find the volume of the cube. Yeah.
Yes.
So what is it?
B. The answer is B, yeah.
Okay, because volume, because each side is 7, so this is 7.
Yeah,
this
equal
is 7.
to volume. Volume is equal.
So volumes, they go to length times width times height.
Yeah.
Because the length, the width, and the height are the same. So 7 times 7 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it is B.
Yeah.
Okay, 22. I don't know what happened to your teacher. I can't do math all night. Okay, so this one is just which one is the smallest or the biggest? Okay, so pick one.
The largest is
A, B, C, or D?
C is the largest.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Number 2020. What is the structure?
Where? What 20?
2020.
I don't see which 2020. Oh.
22.
Okay, hold on.
Sorry, 22. 22.
Oh, 22.
What is the structure?
22, no, they wanted to do, they want to ask us what number is the largest number.
Cái áo mong, cái áo chơi nè.
We can round this number. Yeah, we can round.
Yeah, A, B, C, D. Tầng 4 đó nè. Which one is largest?
Oh, okay. I know.
Which of the following is largest? That following, which of the following?
Yeah. So number A, right?
Yeah, no. Letter A, not number A, letter A.
45, okay, yeah.
Okay, 23.
Which the following is not way.
It's not. No, but when you go take the test, sometimes they said not. You have to be careful. Which of the following is not a way to write 40% of n? Here you see the word of again. What does of mean? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. What does the word of mean? Mấy take note of what does the word of mean? You just took note. What does the word of mean?
Of is time.
Good, mean multiply. So 40%, okay. So this is 40% multiply by n. And in mathematics, we don't write percent when we calculate, so we're going to change that to decimal. So this is 40% of n. When we multiply, we just put a letter and a number together. So this is how you write 40%. Yeah. So looks like which one is not? Look like A is? A. Okay. All right. What is 2 divided by 5? Can you put that in your calculator? What is 2 divided by 5? Put it in a calculator. What is 2 divided by 5? Right here. Isn't it 0.4? 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. So this one is also 0.4n. Okay. And 4 over 10. What is 4 divided by 10? What is 4 divided by 10? 4 divided by 10 is also 0.4, isn't it? Yeah. So this one, it is 0.4n. Okay. So this one, this one, this one, this one. So which one is not the way you write 40% of n?
C, right?
Yeah, C. So C.
Oh, lòng thấp đây.
Okay.
Not a way to write.
Not, because they don't want to not.
Okay. Not a way to write.
Not mean ayo. Ang San looks like you're questioning. Number 23 ngất chăng?
Now, number 3 cái số hiện tha rồi biết tôi xe ở đây comic còn mọi những cái xe ở tôi xe sắp việc rồi á nè. Rồi anh nó ấy, cái này anh nó thì có về trình rồi biết tôi xe bị nó xe bị cái này. Việc rồi những cái xe đó người xe sắp việc rồi như này thao việc mà đang xôn chịch buồn xe việc rồi nè. Xuân chịch buồn ai việc tham nó up and nó tham and năng áo này thế đào kịp làm việc thân not mấy cái này cho nó đó it's not a way to write thay mình mình chưa biết là những cái xe những người miền ta xe sắp nữa
xe sắp ẩn
đó việc coffeeประมาณnó nè coffee nó
anh nó phải gì
N is a variable. That's an unknown. We don't care what that n is. We just care which one of them is not.
Okay.
The way you write it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna move it up.
And
this one. Do you know how to do this?
Answer with a question.
Do you know the word line? Do you know the word line? Yes or no?
Line.
Okay, then I need to explain something. Okay, so I'm going to explain this. Do you remember that this is your coordinate plane, or you can say that Cartesian coordinate, or you can say XY plane. Okay? អានឹងគេប្រើវាបានច្រើនអាមួយនេះX and Y axis នេះ coordinate plane, Cartesian coordinate, or XY plane. ហើយអានឹងវាត្រូវមាន you studied this before, right? Yes or no? Okay. So if I have 0, 0, you know where it is? Right here, 0, 0. Yeah. Right? Okay. Yeah. So if I have 1 and 3.
1 and 3 on the top.
X1 and then here 3, right?
3, yeah.
Okay. Now in American, we call this quadrant. Okay, I need to type it out. And tell me if you hear this word before. Okay. So I think I have quadrant 1.
Yes. Okay.
This one got quadrant 2. Okay. And this one is quadrant 3. And this one is quadrant 4. Okay. So, right? Okay. So then if I have, let's say -2 and 3, what quadrant am I in? If I have -2 and 3, what quadrant is the point at? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
2.
2.
Yeah.
Quadrant 2. If I have -4 and -5, what quadrant am I in?
3.
3. Okay. If I have 4 and -3, what quadrant am I in?
1.
No?
4.
4. Okay. All right. So now you know the quadrant. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will erase that, and then I'm going to give you. Okay. So if I have y equal to 2x, okay, and I want you to graph that. So when I teach algebra students, I let them make a table, and I said, this is x. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let me look at your question first. What is the question asked you so I can, so an equation for the line passing through the origin and the point is, okay. So that means I have to explain some more here. Okay, so if I were to graph this, okay.
It means x is 2 and y is 1.
Okay, so here I graph this, okay. I can pick any value for x. So if I picked 0 for x, what should y be?
Y is 0.
0. Okay. If I pick x equal to 1, what should y be?
2.
If I pick -2, what should y be?
4.
-4, because you're dealing with a negative number. -2 times 2 is -4. If I were to graph that, so this is 0, and this is 1 and 2. Okay, and this is -2, -4. Okay, and I draw a line. Okay, so this is my line. Okay.
It's easy.
So this is the line of this. You
Oh,
see my line?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to here. Okay. So if you have 2, 1, which one of these is your line?
Okay, wait a moment. 2, 1, it's 1. It's 2.
So which one is your line?
Number 1.
A, B, C, or D?
Number 1, origin.
A, B, C, or D?
B.
Did you work it out or you just guess? You're supposed to work it out. No guessing.
Boston,
One.
Buồn.
Okay, so if you graph A, this is what A look like, okay? So if you put in 0 for X, you got 0 for Y. If you put in 1 for X, you got 2 for Y. If you put in 2 for X, you got 4. So it's not A, because you're looking at 2, 1, and this is 1, 2. It's not A. Okay, B. Okay, you look at B. Here's X, here's Y. Okay, so if X is 0, Y is 0. If X is 1, what should Y be? A half. If X is 2, what should Y be? What's a half of 2?
1.
1. So, did you see it? An equation?
Yes.
So A, B, C, or D?
B.
B already. Okay. That's all your teacher asked me to do. So where is, now I don't know how to teach science or social study, whatever the other part your teacher asked you. Volunteers on the phone. What's going on? What did she want?
She said our class will start at 7. And so why we start at 6 early today? Yeah, I said that because last Sunday we already talked about our schedule. We changed. We can start early at 6 to 8. Yeah.
It's in the email. She didn't check.
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
Okay, is she coming now?
Yes.
Okay, she also sent me this one. Okay, so hang on. She's also, I have to go to my Facebook to download it because she sent it through my phone and I cannot do that. I have to send it to my messenger and download it from there. Okay. It's swirling. So slow. Okay, so this is what she sent me.
You can
yeah,
share on
I'm
the screen.
trying. Okay. All right, so now I will, okay, so you got this one, I will close it, no save. I will close that one, no save. And I will import this one. Okay, so she sent me this, so she probably want you to know these, okay? All right. Okay, do you know what they are? Even an odd number. she sent it to my phone. Did she send it to group mail too or no?
I just send on the group mail. No, on email. Just,
Okay, not in group. Okay. Is she logging in or not?
I'm not sure, but she told me that she tried to join with that now.
Okay.
What is odd number, teacher?
1, 3, 5, 7. Those are odd number.
Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8 are even number.
Okay, thank you.
Pi all this number, right?
No, don't
You can
write.
separate.
You just look, just know what is odd, what is even.
Oh,
Okay, and then I will explain the prime. So you know odd number, right? Okay, you know even number?
Yeah.
Okay, now prime, this is a definition of prime. Prime is a bit hard to explain. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's what prime is. No. There, okay, there's a number in there. Okay. So this is the definition of prime. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divisible by itself and 1, okay? I. Okay, so you know odd are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, those are odd. Even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay? So now let's start with prime number. Can you give me one of the prime number?
Number 2.
Give me one, huh?
Number 2.
2 is a prime number?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. Give me another prime number.
Take that one here. Number 4.
3 is a prime number. Give me another prime number.
5.
Good. 5. Give me another prime number.
10.
7. Okay, we're going from smallest to greatest. Give me another prime number.
8.
No, because
Number
4 divide 4, because 8 is divisible by 4 and 2. So it's not 8. Okay, give me another prime number, going from smallest to greatest. It's not 8 because 8 divisible by 4 and 2. It's not 10 because 10 divisible by 5. It's not 9. 9 is divisible by 3.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what's the next one?
Uh, 13.
13.
Yeah.
What's the next one? Not 14 because 14 divisible by 7.
17.
17, yep.
Not 19.
Yep.
70. Oh, 27.
23. 27 is not a prime. 27 divisible by 9.
Right? Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's enough. So you know what prime is, okay? All right. Then she wants you to know a rational number. Okay, what's a rational number? Any number that can be written as a fraction. So that's a rational number. Okay, so for example, 1/2 is a fraction. 2/3 is a fraction. Okay, 4 is a fraction. Okay, so a rational numbers, any number that can be written as a fraction or ratio. Okay, 4 is a fraction because any whole number, I can put them over 1. Okay, so that's a fraction. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and they said a terminated decimal. So 0.2 is also a rational number. Why? Because 0.2 is the same as 1/5. Because 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. So 0.2 is a rational number because I can write 0.2 as 1/5. 0.25 is a rational number. What is 0.25? 0.25 is 1/4.
1/4.
Yeah. So they said, if you don't know how to convert it, if you have terminate means end, it's ended. Like, okay?
Yeah.
Like decimal, okay, decimal. So if you have a terminated decimal, that means it's a rational number. So if you have 0.456, you see it does not continue decimal, so it's a rational number. But if you see 3, 4, 5, 6, on and on, you see it's not terminating, so this is not a rational number. A rational number has to end it, terminate. So this is not a rational number. We call that irrational. So a rational number is a fraction and a terminated decimal. Yo?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Cho cruel dạ là.
Chậm check mà xem.
Lệ kẹt đại chứ. Terminate nó lệ mà. No sol là đây.
Yep.
First time for me.
Ask him to help you. I would say get a different pot and yeah. Okay. Okay, and okay. So should I continue? You want me to continue?
Can you repeat that again? A rational number, any number that.
You know what? Because I actually, this is what your other teacher is forwarded to me. So let me find that in my actual lesson here. Okay. So give me a second.
Good evening, Nhôm.
Good evening. Lộc San ọt máu ấy.
No, she can't now.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, mình mệt khơi. Chứ na lộc đại con khăn đó. Ọt đá chuông.
Oh, I'm from Sri Lanka.
Oh, okay.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Do you speak Khmer?
No, he cannot speak Khmer. You have to speak English to him.
Yeah. Yes.
He's saucy today,
English class, not Khmer.
Oh, okay. Oh, and we in Lộc Chani then. Ọt khơi Lộc Chani.
He was here.
All right.
Let me finish that thing that you sent me, so then you can take over.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Just to clarify, now what time we supposed to start?
We discussed from last meeting that we should start earlier. 4 to 6.
But at 6?
No, that was Friday 4 to 6. On Sunday it's 6 to 8.
6 to 8. Okay, my apology. I forgot. I was thinking of 7. So Sunday at 6, Friday at 4.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
So
Yes.
this is what I teach my algebra students.
Mm-hmm.
This is my slide over here.
Oh, okay.
So this is tell you everything about a number.
Okay. It looked really good.
Oh yeah. I've been doing this for the past 20 years.
Yeah. It looked really good.
Okay, so when you're talking about a number line, okay, so this is a number line. You know, see, it's a number line. You have 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and then you go to the left, you have -1, -2, okay? And then in between each of these, you're gonna have 1.5, you're gonna have 1.8, you're gonna have 2.3, and then you're gonna have some irrational number in between. So all the number that you can think of that exists on a number line, we call those real number, okay? And then for real number, we divide into 5 set. So all of these real number we give it a name. We call a natural number, a whole number, integer, rational. We just look at rational. And then we talk about irrational. So there are 5 subsets. Okay. What does a natural number look like? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Those are natural number. Okay. Right. Whole number are the natural numbers plus 0. So whole number is just they're taking a natural number and they just add 0 to it. Okay. Integers, including everything here. So integer, you can have -5, -10, -2, everything all the way to the right. So if you just kind of stare at it for a minute, you see natural number are counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're counting. Whole number, we're just taking all the natural here and then we just add one more zero and we call that whole number. Now, integer is interesting because integer is we take all whole number to the right of the number line. Remember our number line is right here. Okay. Remember our number line? Okay, here's 0, and here's 1, and here's 2. So what integer does is we take everything to the right here, and then we flip it over to the left of the negative as well. So integer is everything from 0 to the right, and then we're going from 0 to the left. -1, -2. Okay, so that's integer. And we just got done talking about rational. Okay, rational is a fraction or terminated decimal. Another word for terminate is end, or a repeated decimal. Oh, I spelled that wrong, repeated. Oh, I got too many repeated decimal. Okay. What they mean by repeat, like 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 of repeated decimal. So all of these are example of rational number. Like -2 is a rational because I can put it over 1. 0.5, I can rewrite that as 1/2. Okay. And this is a 1/3, so it's a rational number. 1 is, I can write that 1/1, so it's a fraction. A repeated decimal, well, 4.666, so that will be 4 2/3. 0.66 is 2/3, so that would be 12, 13. So this is 14/3. So you take 14 divided by 3, you're gonna get 4.66666666. So a repeated decimal is also a fraction because 4.666666, I can write them as 14/3. And of course, this is also a fraction. Now, irrational number is a number that never ends, okay? Never ending decimal. It's a never ending decimal. So if you take the square root of 2, you're gonna get like 1.41 on. Never end decimal is an irrational number, so it's square root of pi. So is this ... You got all of that?
Is the pi is repeat decimal or ending decimal?
Both. Okay, so these are 3 things. Rational number is a fraction. Terminate and ending mean the same thing. And a repeated decimal. So you all these 3 are rational number. Fraction, ending decimal, or repeated decimal. Another word for ending is terminating.
But the irrational, it never ends, it just keep repeat.
Yep.
So is pi, you said both?
No. Oh, pi is irrational.
Pi is irrational because it go on forever, right?
Yep.
Okay. Got it. Did everybody understand the different number? Yes?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, take
you.
a picture, and then I got something for you to do after that. Okay?
I send okay, everybody got these, right? I mean hard copy because I gave it to you.
Yeah, I just put it on. I put it online here a while ago. We went over.
Yeah. And the only thing is, this is all great. Did you talk about prime number yet?
Yep, they did very good with prime number.
They understand prime number? Okay.
Ask them what's a prime number and ask them to give you an example of a prime number.
What is a prime number?
Okay, Jenny, what's a prime number?
Ất Lý.
Mute, Ất Lý đây. Can't hear him. Okay, Ask another person. Bang San, what's the prime number?
Yes.
Bang San, what's the prime number? Bang Tia, what's the prime number?
Người thằng lá không lá.
Bang Sri Lanka, what's the prime number?
Người San ăn văn.
Nobody can tell me a prime number? Uh-huh.
Prime number one.
No, she asked you from the last time, what's a prime number?
Prime number.
We went over prime number. What's a prime number?
What's the prime number? Prime number 2, 3.
No,
2, 3, 5, 7.
No. What is a prime number?
Oh,
you have to tell them the definition. What's a prime number?
A number that can only by device by cell.
Divisible by itself and one.
Yes.
Very
Okay.
good. Yes. And you like on Johnny, you said 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes.
Oh, one is not a prime number.
One is not a
2,
prime.
3, 5,
No.
7.
Yeah.
Is
And
2 a prime?
what about okay, let me
31.
Okay. Why don't you pick another number and ask them prime or not? Ran.
31, is that prime?
30.
31, is that a prime number?
Yeah.
Why is it so? Why is it prime number?
Because 31 does not divide by anything but 31 and 1.
Yeah.
Okay. What about 47? Is 47 a prime number?
47.
Oh, okay. 47, is it a prime?
Yes, it is.
Okay, one more. How about 33? Is it prime number?
No, it's not.
Okay, why is it not a prime number?
Anjani, why is 33 not a prime number?
33.
Yeah.
33 is not a prime, but why?
Why is it not a prime?
33 by
Sri Lanka, why is 33 is not a prime?
by
Because you can divide 33 by what?
Because by 33
cannot be divisible.
Divisible by what? 33 can be divisible by what?
divisible by 7.
7 times what is 33?
7.
7 is 49.
6.
7 times 6 is 42.
33 is not a prime because it is divisible by 3.
So it's 3 times
3
11.
times 11. So that's why 33 is not a prime because it's divisible by 3. Okay?
Yeah. Check that anytime, check that by any other number than itself and muy and prime.
Any number that's not a prime, we call it composite, but we haven't got to that yet. Okay. Yeah. So we'll save that for next one. So since I work with your sheet about natural number, whole integer, and all that, I just got this 8 questions for them to look at.
Yes.
And then you can go to your passage, okay? So
Okay.
go ahead. Tell me,
Okay.
what
Name
set does it belong to? So
Mm.
remember, they are what? They could be natural number if you forgot. It could be natural. Or what's the next one?
Integer.
Whole number. Let's go from the top down. What else? Integers. What else? Rational. What else?
Irrational.
Irrational. Okay. So
Okay,
tell
which
me.
from?
So tell me 12.
Yes or no?
Is 12 a natural number? Is 12 a natural number? Yes. Is 12 a whole number? Yes. Is 12 an integer? Yes. Is 12 a rational number? Yes. Is 12 an irrational number? No. Okay, so it's only that. All right, now your turn. Number 2. Is 9/8 a natural number? Yes or no?
Number 2, take like a man from 9 take wait a moment,
There's 1/8. So a little bit bigger than 1.
It's 9/8. Is 9/8 a natural number? No. Is 9/8 a whole number? No. Is 9/8 an integer? No. Is 9/8 a rational number?
Yes, rational number.
Very good.
Okay, I'll just do rational. Okay, that's it. All right. All right, what about number 5?
Integer.
Number 3.
Number 3, sorry, number 3.
Integer.
Yes.
Integer, very good,
Yeah.
integer.
Integer.
What else?
International number.
Rational, yes. Anything else?
Yeah.
No, that's it. Okay, what about number 4?
Number 4 also.
Whole number.
Whole
Yes.
number.
Yep, very good.
Whole number, yeah, whole number.
What else?
Integer. Integer.
What else?
Rational. Rational.
Okay, good. What about number 5?
Number 5, a rational number.
Irrational.
Irrational.
Yep.
Irrational.
Okay, what about number 6?
Rational number.
Rational.
Rational, because you repeat it 3, 3, 3, 3,
Yeah.
3. Rational, okay. What about number 7?
Number 7. Number 7. Number 7.
You see dot, 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 dot at the end, but it's meaning it's continue. So what is it?
Irrational number.
Irrational. Okay. What about number 8? Last one.
Number 8, you can add to crew Chandy.
Nature.
Natural. Yep. Very
Natural.
good.
Natural number. A whole number.
Yeah.
Integer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So
not,
next week we'll give you a test on that. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Put your passage up.
We can, should be, so it's number 8. I mean, number 8, 5. What kind of number is that? Can it be, okay, never mind. I just
Are you
want to add
asking them
like,
prime or even or odd?
Yeah.
Is 5 even or odd? The number 5 itself, is it even or odd? Is 5 a prime?
5. 5 prime.
Is 5 a prime number?
Odd number.
Yep, it's odd number.
Good.
It's a prime number.
It's odd number. Is it odd also a prime in this case?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not a prime.
I'm sorry.
Not a prime number.
Prime number.
Prime. Because nothing going to 5. 5 is only divided by 5 and 1.
Yeah.
So it's a prime number.
5.
Yeah. Okay. How about number 1, 12? Is 12 an odd or even?
12.
Odd or even?
Odd or even?
Even.
Even. Very good. So is 12 a prime or a composite?
We haven't talked about composite yet.
Yeah. So is it a prime? Is 12 a prime number?
Is it a prime? Is it a prime number?
It's a prime.
Is it a prime number?
Yes, prime number.
Why is it a prime?
What prime is? Primes are number that can only be divided by itself and 1. And it was 12. You have 12.
Can 12 divide by 6?
12 divided by 6? Yeah. 6 go into 12. 2 go into 12. 3 go into 12. So 12 is not a prime.
Yeah.
Because 12 can be divided by 6, can be divided by 2, can be divided by 3. So 12 is not a prime.
Right? It can be by 4 too.
Oh, yeah, 4. Okay. So as long as you find other number that 12, that number divide by, then it's not a prime. A prime cannot be divided by any number except 1 and itself. Like 5. See, nothing go to 5. You can only divide by itself 5, and you can only divide by 1 because nothing go to 5.
Chạy từ việc đạt chạy.
វាចែកទៅដាច់វាចែកទៅដាច់បានតែខ្លួនវាហើយនឹងមួយ
Yeah ចែកអត់ដាច់ទេ
Yeah
បើចែកទៅអីគេ remainder គេហៅអី
remainder ត្រាទុក1ត្រាទុក2អីនោះ Well I forgot all.
So អាណាចែកអត់ដាច់ by លេខដតីទៀតអាហ្នឹងហើយគេហៅ prime បើចែកដាច់នឹងលេខដតីទៀតអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ prime គេហៅ composite and we'll talk about that later. So right now I want you to understand prime, odd, even, natural, whole, integer, rational, irrational.
Yes.
Hello, I'm Yeah, you can answer. Yeah.
What? Okay, now I did explain that worksheet already, and I explained the quadrant.
Oh, thank you.
And all that.
Okay.
So now put your passage up. We can do English now. Enough
oh, okay. You mean science? Science.
Okay, science.
So science page.
Can you load it? Or you want me to load it? Which one?
Which page?
Okay.
don't have anything to read now.
Yeah.
Or you can take a picture, take some picture and send to Miss Nhung TV. And
I sent a picture already.
Okay, what passage? What passage?
Passage 5.
Oh, okay. All right. I got it.
Oh, Nhung TV, you got it?
I got it. I will load it.
Where?
Hold on.
Not see it.
តែគុណនៅស្រីលង្កាឈ្មោះអីដែរគុណ
Bà niệm ấy, bà niệm.
ព្រះនាមអី
Name Rain.
Rin
More Rain.
Rin
Yes. More thanមួយសំនៀងដែល Rain ជាងបាន
Rin ដែរគុណ Rin ចេះនិយាយប្រហែលភាសាដែរគុណ
សៀមដែលធ្លាប់នៅរៀនសៀម
ចាអញ្ចឹង
វៀតណាមនៅស្រុកយើងនិយាយធម្មតាទៅ
ចាហើយខ្មែរ
កូណាអត់មានចាទេកូណា
ហើយអង់គ្លេស
អង់គ្លេសខ្លះហ្នឹងអង់គ្លេស
អូយឲ្យគ្នាកណាអីហ្នឹងមកយកទល់ព្រឹកនៅហ្នឹងគ្មាននិយាយចាញ់ទេ
Yeah, you can learn word by word when you speak with the monk. You can use the word kana, the kun. Yeah.
ណា
If you don't teach us as a monk, you don't know how to speak with the monk, right? They use the word for the monk. Yeah. Yeah, you are lucky.
ប៉ាន់កំប្រកាន់អីបើសិនណា
And we are lucky too.
កណា
Yeah.
និយាយខុស
To have your time to teach us. Where is it? Bạn này nói nhưng theo vì bạn lên án anh passage ngoài án.
Passage 5. She said passage 5, so I'm doing passage 5. And now it's, you send it to me like this, so I don't know if I can.
Một phân nhóm navigation. Tập lập năng navigation năng phần nòng communication hay chậm upload lại.
Image change image.
Two one. Wow.
There are 3 names of rock.
Trying to rotate, I knocked myself out. Okay. Well, I cannot rotate, so.
Rotate năng communication nhóm tập lập năng communication.
It's too much work though.
Đại con Tia, I sent it to you too,
No,
so you should get it.
In my phone, not in computer, in the email.
Oh. Thank you, Tilly.
Oh my God.
ផ្ញើល្មិចខ្ញុំផ្ញើខ្ញុំ take picture ចឹងខ្ញុំចុចផ្ញើទៅខ្ញុំមិនដឹងផ្ញើមិនខ្ញុំផ្ញើទៅត្រង់តើ
But next time you can send by email. Send to the group of our mail. It's okay because we all can get it. ចំកាលខ្ញុំខ្ជិលទៅយក computer នោះនៅ phone ហ្នឹងក៏ចុចទៅបណ្ដោយទៅប៉ុន្តែបើសិនណាផ្ញើតាម email is it better? Yeah. Better. Okay, I'll do that next time, okay?
So now it's gonna wait for my thing to load up.
Oh, but is everybody get a copy?
Yeah, they got a copy.
Okay, then we can just read đại con riêng
No, they couldn't no have a copy.
Okay, I'll
So,
đại con riêng
Next time. So next time I
yes could I
bác
have
phần
your
mưa
number?
nó mưa mình khơi nó tui quê này kìa ta
đại con riêng, could I have your number so I can send it to you at the email?
my email, right?
And your number so I can
phone number
Phone number.
if in Sri Lanka you cannot send.
So just email then. Yeah.
Go ahead, read. When I rotate, when I upload it, it still go back to the same spot. So.
Oh, okay. But did everyone? I mean, beside I can read.
Yeah.
Everyone have a copy, right? Okay. So
Oh, I got it.
No.
You so smart.
I got it. Okay. So where's everybody now? Okay.
Đây là mà cần thu sắp mà sao tôi quay.
តែគាត់ធៀមមិនបានឃើញប៉ាហៀនៅពីក្រោយចឹង
Oh, background.
Oh.
You also can change
the background
if you want. You have some picture in your computer and then you upload to the background.
Oh. ចឹងមិនថាហ៊ីគួយណា
Yeah. Now you
ប៉ាហៀចឹង ហើយឥឡូវនឹងអត់មានតន់មាន snow ផងនេះសិតតែ snow.
Yeah.
Okay, do you see it?
Yes. Okay. So today the passage is about rock. Okay? Rock គេបកប្រែខ្មែរថាម៉េចថ្មហ៎ ថ្មចាហើយយើងនឹងអានពីថ្មថ្ងៃនេះអញ្ចឹង
about the rock. Right?
Rock. Okay. អញ្ចឹងTV you want to read or let them
No,
read?
because you want me to upload the next slide because then I'm going to be busy uploading.
Okay.
Go ahead and read.
So let's take turn read.
So I can start first, right?
Yeah. Okay. 2 sentences each. Okay.
Oh, 2 sentences each. Okay.
Yeah.
There are 3 kinds of rocks.
Yes.
Sedimentary.
Yeah.
Metamorphic.
Yes. Very good. Metamorphic.
And igneous. Sedimentary rocks is formed from sediment.
Very good.
Such as sand, shells, and pebbles.
Nice job. Đại con Chani or đại con San? Okay.
The sediment gather together and hardens over time.
Very good.
It is generally soft and breaks apart
easily. Very good. Yeah.
This is the only type of rock that content
yes
fossils.
Very good.
Which are the remains of animals and plants that lived a long time ago.
Very good. Next. Đại con San.
Oh, yes. Đón ai, teacher.
Metamorphic. Right here.
On
Metamorphic rock.
okay ឯណាចេះជួយបង្ហាញផងអត់មានអាឡ័យតែដកវាថ្មពីចុះសាក់ថ្ម
តទី4រាប់ឡើង
Okay
ទី4រាប់ឡើង
Okay, okay.
1 2 3 4 yes
Yes
ទី
Yes
5
yes okay
yeah
Metamorphic rocks form under the surface of the earth due to change
changes
heat change in heat and
heat
pressure
pressure
Cheap. Yes these rocks usually have ribbon like
then
layer and may contain shiny crystal
very good
igneous rocks forms when molten rocks or magma
magma
cools
cools
and hardens an example of
okay you can stop there and they come from
okay
Sri Lanka
Okay
an
an
example
example of mountain
very good
mountain rock is lava which escapes from an erupting well escape right escapes from an erupting volcano
yes
this type of rock looks shiny and
glass-like very good now I am going to read it and you follow along okay so you can see how I sound okay
you can hear how you sound
okay.
You don't see you hear
okay there are 3 types of rocks sedimentary metamorphic oh gosh and igneous sedimentary rock is form or made from sediment such as sand shells and pebbles the sediment gather together and hardens over time. It is generally soft and break apart easily. This is the only type of rock that contain fossils, which are the remains of animals and plants that lived a long time ago. These
I love that phrase. A long time.
Ribbon-like layers and may contain shiny crystal. In igneous rock form when molten rocks or magma cools and hardens. An example of molten rock is lava, which escapes from an erupting volcano. This type of rock look shiny and glass-like. Okay, so TV, can you put the next slide?
I'm trying. What is the next one?
The next one is the question and the picture.
Picture of the rock?
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
picture of the rock.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it has, yeah.
I am
back
okay let me check
return yeah get back no Lacrorin can take a picture first and then you can upload another one.
Okay, go ahead, take picture. Done? Are you done?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
see.
So these rock right here, igneous, and these are sedimentary, and then metamorphic. ពាក្យដែលថា mo នេះ MOR ហ្នឹងណា អាហ្នឹងដែលមានរូបកាយរៀងវាដូរដូចតកៅដូរទៅជាមេអំបៅហ្នឹងឃើញវាខុសគ្នាអញ្ចឹងណាវាដូរអញ្ចឹងហ្នឹងគេហៅ morphic. Okay,
Metamorphic.
Metamorphic.
I think they call it metamorphic.
Yes.
Metamorphic.
Yeah,វាដូររាងកាយវា
Metamorphic.
Yeah.
Metamorphic.
ហើយអានេះវា sedimentary នេះវាមកពីកក you know កកដូចទឹកក្នុងពាងអញ្ចឹងណានៅខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងណាយូរទៅវាកកទៅវារឹងទៅដូចត្រីឆ្អឹងត្រី dinosaur ដែលគេរកឃើញណាមកពីគេរកឃើញវាកើតទៅជាថ្មអញ្ចឹងណាដើម្បីក្រោមនៅបាតសមុទ្រអីចឹងទៅណាហើយកន្លែងយើងនៅសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងដូចនៅ Red Wing នៅចិត្តវត្តហ្នឹងដែលកូនស្គាល់ Red Wing series Red Wing ហ៎នៅចិត្តវត្ត
They've gone to Red Wing. Have you?
Yeah, Red Wing យូរណាស់ហើយគឺនៅ under the sea កន្លែងហ្នឹងណាហើយគេថាមិនបានដឹងថាកន្លែងហ្នឹងនៅក្រោមសមុទ្រគេរកឃើញហើយកាលខ្ញុំកណានៅជាកូនសិស្សទៅ research នៅហ្នឹងរកឃើញខ្យងក្រុមសបកអីណា fossil វានៅនឹងនៅក្នុង rock ហ្នឹងណា that ឆ្អឹង dinosaur អីមានតែដូចថាក្រុមខ្យងខ្ចៅអីចឹងណានៅលើភ្នំនឹងមួយនៅ Red Wing ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបានគេដឹងថាដើមឡើយ Minnesota ហ្នឹងគឺនៅក្រោមសមុទ្រ
Under the water?
Yep, under the water. Yep, under the sea.
Yeah, បាត់ស្មុទ្រ Yeah.
ហើយប្រអី evidence វាមាននៅ Red Wing ហ្នឹងច្រើនណាស់គេទៅកោះដីនៅនឹងរមើលឃើញឆ្អឹងត្រីអីចឹង
Wow.
Yeah, that's why sedimentary នឹង rock នឹងthat contain
But you circled all the answer already.
You know, that is not the answer.
Oh, it's not?
Well, it is, but some of them could be wrong because this book is used.
Oh, okay. So somebody else circle it.
Yeah, I didn't circle it, they circle it.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to question then. Okay, so here so all the rock
Igneous. Yeah, and I think you have igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic.
Igneous ថាម៉េច
igneous វា type of rock ហ្នឹងណានេះអា rock របៀបវាមានឈ្មោះ
Read it right here. What is igneous? You read it right here?
Yeah.
So there are 3 types: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Sedimentary rock is a form from sediments such as sand, shell, and pebble.
គ្រូហើយអីនេះ shell
like that. Okay, so here's what happened. Sediment is a rock. Okay. Thay anh change, lộp anh change. Okay. sedimentary rock is formed from sediment. What is sediment? Oh, sediment such as. Okay, I see.
Yeah, cỏនៅបាតពាងណា think of it that way.
Such as sand. Okay, so sediment rock come from sand, come from shell and pebble. Okay, okay. Sediment gather together and harden over time. Okay, it is generally soft and break apart easily.
Yeah, ថ្មនឹងវាអត់សូវរឹងទេ
rocks that contain fossil. Okay, which are the remain of animal and plant that live a long time ago. So ដូច dinosaur ដូចឆ្អឹងត្រីដូចអីហ្នឹងវាមកពី sedimentary rock, right?
ហ្នឹងហើយ
Okay.
ហ្នឹងហើយ
Okay, now let's go to metamorphic rock. Okay, metamorphic rock form under the surface. Okay, under the surface of the earth due to changes and heat pressure. These rocks usually have ribbon like. What's a ribbon like?
Ribbon like.
ស្នាមហ្នឹងហ៎ដូចទឹក
Yeah.
ណាំទឹកកឡូកនៅជាប់ rock
ហ្នឹងហើយហ្នឹងហើយ
Okay.
ស្នាមដូច layer
like a rock in Arizona, you can see the rock.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking of that. Okay.
Yeah.
And may contain shiny crystal. Oh, so ដល់ពេលយើងចូលទៅក្នុង cave យើងឃើញអា crystal អីហ្នឹងណា so that come from metamorphic.
Yes.
Okay.
វាដូរភាពវា
Okay.
វាដូរ yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to igneous. Okay. So igneous rock form when molten rock or magma cool and harden. Now I don't know what is molten rock means.
Magma the volcano ហ្នឹងភ្នំភ្លើងណាភ្នំភ្លើងយើងមើលទៅឃើញក្រហមហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹង magma ហើយដល់ពេលអា magma ហ្នឹងវាដល់ពេល
Oh, right there. Okay.
វាចេញមកណា
Example, lava which escaped from an erupting volcano.
Yeah.
Okay. So this rock looks shiny and glass-like. Okay. So now go
this
back
rock
here.
is expensive, right? Like glass. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here we go. A volcano erupts and lava come out and harden once it is cool. What type of rock is formed?
So អាហ្នឹងដូចគេដុតដែកណាដុតថ្មណាដុតទៅវាឡើងរាវហ្នឹង lava វាហូរចេញមក
has to be looks like in igneous.
Yeah.
Looks like igneous.
Rock.
So why are they still going this one?
That's why it's not a stone circle it. So
okay, you see that we read together. You see?
Yes.
You see that? Igneous rock formed from magma, volcano erupting. Okay, so that's igneous.
Yeah, that's right. So
when you go back here, it's igneous.
Yes.
Okay, see that? So when you're taking the test, you kind of go back, read it, highlight it, and then go back and read the question again. Okay? Good?
Yeah.
All right, so it is C, right?
Okay. So number 22. Okay.
A scientist A found a piece of granite rock as seen in figure 1. What type of rock is it? So what is figure 1? Figure 1
here.
Oh, it's everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Granite rock ហ្នឹង A ហ្នឹងត្រូវហើយណាបើគ្រាហ្នឹង
Okay. So granite rock.
Granite rock
What
is
type of
high
rock
of
make
igneous rock.
What type of rock made from granite?
Granite is also like a molten rock or magma.
That's right. That's right. So
metamorphic.
Igneous. Rồi, number A is correct.
Igneous, yes.
Igneous is correct.
So បើ they គិនបានទៅ
Where's Agnes? Agnes rock form.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Granite បើដេចគុណទៅជាក្រានបាយជាក្រានបាយនៅវត្តយើងសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងអានៅនៅក្នុងពហិកន្លែង buffet ធំណាអាហ្នឹងហើយក្រុម granite ទៅឃើញវាលលងឆាញហ៎
Yeah.
ដែលកន្លែងដាក់ម្ហូបកន្លែងដាក់ម្ហូបនៅចិត្តពហិណា
Yeah.
Yeah អាហ្នឹងហើយ granite
Counter top. Yeah.
counter top yeah granite ហ្នឹងថ្លៃណាស់អាហ្នឹងso វត្តយើងមានប៉ុណ្ណា
អាហ្នឹងដូចស្រួយឬក៏ផុយ
Oh no. Very very tough.
Yeah អាហ្នឹង
រឹងខ្លាំងណាស់
ថ្ម granite
រឹងណាស់
មកចិត្តអាហ្នឹង
natural ឬក៏គេ industry គេផលិត
natural but ឥឡូវហ្នឹងគេផលិតបានដែរgranite ហ្នឹងគេហៅស្អីទេឃើញ granite ទេ
ឃើញនៅស្រុកចិនគេផលិតបានច្រើនណាស់ហ្នឹងគេធ្វើដូចថ្មគេហៅថ្មម៉ាតស្រុកខ្មែរតែថ្មម៉ាត
Yeah ប៉ុន្តែវាប្លាក់ប្រវាមិនដូចតែថ្មគេអាសុតទេដូចចិននៅឥណ្ឌាច្រើនអាហ្នឹងគេសុតច្រើនណាស់អាដែលចិនហ្នឹងវាយកថ្មផ្សេងមកហើយឡើងវាផ្សំចិត្តអីទៅវាដាក់អាដេញច្រើនប្រតែវាលាយប៉ុន្តែយូរវាហើប្រ
ចាអាហ្នឹងរឹងដាច់គេហើយagnet ហ្នឹង Okay
So which one is a fossil now?
Fossil
Which type of rock could a fossil be found in it? Which?
I think this one is. Is it?
Yes. So អានេះដែលឆ្អឹង dinosaur អីហ្នឹងណាຕົកយូរទៅវា
fossil
Yeah, because passage 5 here's a fossil. Where is it?
Yeah, right here. Oop. Here.
No.
ក្រោម contains fossil.
Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, fossil.
The word fossil mean rock, but rock ហ្នឹងវារឹងមកពីវានៅយូរពេក
sedimentary. Okay, sedimentary.
កនឹងយូរ
sedimentary ត្រូវអញ្ចឹងហ៎
ចាវាឡើងរឹងកព្រឹសទៅណាបានគេហៅ fossil ហ្នឹងហើយfossil សំខាន់ណាស់នៅក្នុង science ព្រោះអីគេអាចដឹងថាប្រហែលឆ្នាំ dinosaur ហ្នឹងហើយគេរៀនអា fossil ហ្នឹងអូខេទៅមួយទៀត
24
Okay. Which is an example of metamorphic rock in the figure. Okay. អញ្ចឹងសូមមើលទៅលើអារូបភាព figure 1 ហ្នឹងណារួមមើលis it a granite
មិនឃើញទេអត់ទៀត
ចាហើយ
metamorphic ឃើញទេ so small I can't see.
Yeah. It's hard to see.
Oh, granite right here. That's granite.
Yeah, we.
So ignition.
Yeah. What? 24. What is it?
Slate right here. Here's slate. Metamorphic. Marble.
Okay.
See, metamorphic. You got slate. You got marble.
Yep. Slate.
Slate now.
Slate.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, slate.
So slate. Slate is just a tiny bit cheaper than some slate are expensive too. Slate មើលទៅស្តៀង granite ដែរ Okay. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំសួរវិញកណាសួរវិញតើអង្គរវត្តយើងនឹងធ្វើមកពីថ្មអី
Limestone
No, it's not day. I think it's a limestone.
It's no, not a limestone, a sandstone.
ដេកដាត់សម័យដើម
Yeah.
Sandstone?
Yep.
No,
it's a
អាហ្នឹងគេហៅថ្មភក់
ចា
ថ្មភក់ខ្មែរថ្មភក់មិនដឹងជាអង់គ្លេសគេថាម៉េចថ្មអី
Sandstone?
sandstone sand ហ្នឹងដីខ្សាច់ so therefore គោវត្តហ្នឹងមក sedimentary rock okay
Okay.
sedimentary rock ហ្នឹងមកពីវាកនៅបាតសមុទ្រនឹងយូរទៅនឹងទៅបានវាកើតទៅជាអញ្ចឹងហើយso គោវត្តហ្នឹងទៅកាត់ដុំមក sandstone នឹងឯងបើមើលនៅក្នុង
So it's come from
sediment rock yeah
Sediment.
and specifically
Sediment
called sandstone because sediment ហ្នឹងវាមាន6យ៉ាងទៀត no yeah វាមាន dolomite វាមាន whatever shell sandstone limestone oh we limestone ហើយ sandstone ហ្នឹងវាស្រដៀងគ្នាវា family ជាមួយសិតតែ
Yeah, I was thinking about that. Limestone's right here, but then slate is over here.
yeah yeah because slate អង្គវត្តយើងមកពីអា sandstone នេះគេទៅកាត់មក
But I don't see sandstone in here.
sandstone is under sedimentary ទូចមើលអត់ឃើញដឹង
Yeah, I can't see. I can see limestone here. I can see
Yeah.
granite here.
yeah it's right here so limestone is on the third row look at the third column and second row third column second
Oh,
row
here, sandstone?
yeah
Oh, okay.
so go
So
what
here's-
make មកពីនឹង okay all right
All right.
so
Uh,
យល់ហើយរួចហើយអននៅមួយទៀត question មួយទៀត number 25
I don't have 25.
oh okay
No, there's no 25 on here because
Okay.
that's all you said.
នេះ 25 រូបភាពនេះ
Oh, okay. រូបភាពមាន Okay. hold
ហ្នឹង
on.
ហើយវា page ហ្នឹងវានៅលើហ្នឹង yeah
No, I don't see it.
no អារូបភាពកំវងចាអាហ្នឹង the next passage អាហ្នឹងអានេះ
Okay. Well, I think that's all I got. Let me see.
oh it's this
Hold on.
one okay
That one?
yeah okay and 25 is up there
I cannot see. It said what type of rock would most likely to form at and found on the beach.
Yep, when you go to the beach and you see lots of rock, a thumb pebble and all those stuff. So what kind of rock is that?
Sentiment rock
Are you sure?
Yes.
You just read what circle here.
Yeah. Well, sometimes the circle is wrong because it's not my circle. I just use their book. Okay, very good. So, ngập chua màn tí giấy hay some an mùi tiết đấy.
That's fine.
Okay, chua mùi á chăng?
overtime
On
I see
time.
overtime
8:05 rồi. Time
Ê,
drop.
phải, ok, chăm đi tên chừng ấy. Chăm mà tật crowd ấy, chăng ấy.
Yeah,
Time
that's
day.
fine. So
Yeah.
passage 6.
Nè ngày.
What about this Sunday? Wait, today is Sunday. What am I? Next Friday.
Next Friday. Oh, next Friday vậy khi nào cho lo. Next Friday mong màn. Mong buồn đấy.
4 to 6.
Chà, ok.
4 to 6.
Nè ngày. Hay Friday này rồi. Chop quarantine này, right? We can come to the center, right?
yes I like
I like too. So frustrated. Zoom
Until mute. I can't hear you.
Okay ចឹងយើង passage ដែលគុណរៀនsend me your email, okay? Okay, I guess good night then.
Good night. What?
Good night.
Together.
Okay. You did a good job today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you all teachers.
Yom, wait a moment.
Yeah.
On Friday we start on 4 to 6, right?
Yes.
And on Sunday we start on
6 to 8.
6 to 8.
At 6 to 8. Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Clear now.
Okay.
I write it down.
Yeah.
So I'll be on time.
Okay, when I set up the link, I send you. I also send you the time, what time we start.
Oh, okay.
You can check on email. Yeah.
All right. So make sure you they can hear. Make sure you have they can read email.
Okay.
Or I can, yeah. And then I'll send the material. But I don't think I'm gonna send any because I think we have.
You want to send something to us? You can check group of our mail. Yeah, of our. You can see all. Nhom TV group channel. Yeah. Okay.
They can chăn đi ta na bạt right up khởi.
Oh, he going to bed now.
Oh, ui lươn á.
He got, yeah.
Cái nào mong pin đạp ấy nó. Con Kevin.
Now goodbye. Take a shower.
Hey.